What would Halloween be without the vampire's steak? Right, ladies?
Yeah.
So, it's Halloween. Big budget around here. So. Oh, yeah, babe. Oh, yeah, babe. Well, we add a little oil here first. Oh, yeah. I think we should have a little essence. What do you think, huh? So now we've got the vampire steak. Put those babies right on there. Oh, yeah. Season this side now. All right, now we've got that working. Some swamp greens, right from the swamp of Louisiana. So, these are some swamp greens, better known as escarole. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you first a little trick. You're going to take good olive oil, bottom of a skillet. You're going to need a lid for this. Then, you want to take your swamp greens. Oh, yeah, babe. Now, you come here to the olive oil and you start fusing it. See that? With red pepper and garlic. All right? A little bit of salt. Now, you don't want to burn that. So you come over here, put those swamp greens right in there. And then before it burns, you take a little chicken broth. We'll come back for more swamp greens. Just leave it hidden like that. Little swamp greens, which we tasted, and here's what I think. I think we need a little salt. To me, I think we need a little bit more garlic in here. Oh, yeah, babe. And then I think what we're going to do is put a little bit more pepper. Oh, yeah. Even in Halloween. Now, these steaks are looking pretty rare. Rare to medium rare right now. Woo. Then we're going to take a few potatoes I had, and we're going to come on over here and add these right in here to make a little bit of chips. Now, once we get those going in here, frying with vegetable oil. I'm at about 360. All right. Let's let these fry up. Now, over here, we're going to take all that nice garlic that we talked about and a little bit of butter. And then a little secret. little olive oil. And then we're just going to kind of sort of mortar and pestle this, kind of break up the garlic a little bit. Now, that escarole, we want to finish it. Best thing to do, little lemon. Oh, why waste it? Little lemon. Oh, yeah, babe. Little butter. Now, let's see how these guys are doing. Ooh. Ah. Now our chips. Fry these babies. So, here's what I'm thinking. We're going to get a little platter. We're going to take our escarole, better known as swamp greens. We're going to put these swamp greens all over the bottom. Oh, yeah, babe. Now, we're going to take our vampire steaks. Take our garlic butter that we made. Ah, what's a little garlic amongst friends? Yeah. Then we're going to take our chips. Going to season these babies up. Then we'll put a big stack of them. There you have it, trick or treat.